Hello everyone, I'm your teacher from DET Practice. Today we're tackling a Speak About the Photo question. Let's take a look at this beautiful image. Our focus today is to elevate our description by using 5 powerful advanced vocabulary words. For a scenery picture like this, we want to move beyond simple words like nice or cold. Let's analyze our 5 focus words. Picturesque. This means visually attractive, like a picture. The entire scene, with the charming buildings and snow, is perfectly picturesque. Serene. This describes a state of calm and peace. The quiet, snow-covered street outside appears very serene. Cozy. This means giving a feeling of comfort, warmth, and relaxation. The foreground, with the teacups and the lit candlelight, creates a very cozy atmosphere. Juxtaposition. This means placing two things together to show a contrast. The image creates a wonderful juxtaposition between the cold world outside and the warm space inside. Evokes. This means to bring a feeling or memory into the mind. This scene evokes feelings of nostalgia, peace, or the holiday season. When you practice, try to paint a picture with your words. You could start with the feeling you get from the inside, the cozy table. Then guide your listener's view outwards through the window to the serene street. Use juxtaposition to connect the warm inside with the cold outside and share the feeling the scene evokes in you. Before we reveal the answer, pause this video and try to describe this photo yourself in 90 seconds. Remember to use some of the advanced vocabulary we just discussed. Welcome back. The correct answer could sound something like this. This image captures a very picturesque and serene winter scene viewed from inside what looks like a cafe. In the foreground, there's a cozy setup on a wooden table with 2 teacups and a lit candle, suggesting a warm and intimate atmosphere. Through the window, we can see a beautiful European-style street blanketed in snow. The street lamps and the lights from the opposite building cast a warm glow. I really appreciate the juxtaposition between the cold, quiet exterior and the warm, inviting interior. Overall, this entire scene evokes a strong feeling of peace and comfort, making me think of a perfect, quiet holiday afternoon. That's all for today's practice. If you'd like more speaking exercises, log in to detpractice.com now and claim your 3-day VIP trial. Start practicing smarter today.